Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to curve your text in Canva. So you're trying to make your text more stylish. So basically you want to curve your text, those kind of text. So yeah, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. It's quite simple. So first thing first, let's tap in something. So you can simply go to the text option over here, or you can simply tap in T and let's type in something. Like, let's say, for instance, Canva presents. Okay, this sounds good. Let me make it more larger so it's more visible. So once you've done that, you can see the option in this top bar. There are so many options like magic write, this font and stuff. So here you can see the effect option. All you have to do is go in that effect option. Let's click there. And here you can see many styles like this, and here you can see in the shape you can see curve. All you have to do is tap in that curve and you can see the difference. Like it has already curved your this text. And yeah, there's also another option. You can simply go to the text and type in curve. If you want like more stylish looking curve, you can simply go in here and it will give you more options like this over here. You can choose this over here, and let's say see, I just pasted the same thing over in this style. And yeah, this is a more stylish one. And yeah, you can also style this one by your own, like making it more bold and of different color. Let's say I want to make it purple, like yeah, pink, whatever, make it more yellowish. So yeah, this is how you curve text in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.